Now I will explain about the preparation of fish, particularly oilless fish curry. And also meanwhile, I want to explain the importance of the fish. Generally, no doctors, dietitians advocates fish for the chronic kidney disease. What I feel is nobody has experimented on their parents. Somebody has written or somebody has experimented, God knows. But they say that you should not eat. But here I have experimented on my father in 2008 when he was on dialysis. And after eating this, he was actually had acute renal failure. He was on dialysis for the last, that time, 3 months. And after I'm experimenting on his body, within a week, urine flow has started. So, in that way, this fish with defined herbs, that's a garlic, ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves, it works like anything. The point is, one should not use oil. The fish itself is having enormous oil content, wherein this fish is having easily digestible nature, and also this fish dish acts like a diuretic to the kidney patients. And no need to take the prepared protein powder. There is a packet of protein powders and all. This will give enormous changes in the body. And even I have seen many people who never touched in their lifetime this fish. Such persons have also taken this fish and seen the enormous changes in their body and seen the creatine level as reduced like anything. So like that it will act. So how to prepare, you can see it has been shown, and also the contents and all, you download the PDF format in the description and you can follow, or you can take any method. But the method is very simple, oil should not be used. Secondly, the defined herbs has to be used, and the quantum 15 to 20% of the total food you can enjoy. Every day also you can eat. And any fish can be used. Many people are saying, shall I use salmon only? And all, it is not so. Any fish can be used.